Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have a base and supplies. Start now. First, inspect page sequence and remove brittle sheets. This saves time. Next, create one signature by folding 4/6 sheets and punching 3 stitch holes. Thread a needle with wax thread, so a basic pamphlet stitch through the center hole, pull snug but not tight. Once done, glue reinforcements at the spine and press under weight for 20-30 minutes. This forms a stable first section you can immediately write in. Now expand functionality. Start by positioning pockets and flip-outs where you want private notes. Glue edges and top-stitch corners for durability. Then collage ephemera, tickets, photos, receipts, using thin glue to avoid bulk. Once placed, press flat. Make writing spaces by applying a light gesso wash or tea stain to select panels. This prevents bleed-through and adds texture. As you work, test a pen on a corner. Make sure the ink doesn't feather. Continue layering. Complete your junk journal by securing all loose bits. Stitch torn pockets and reglue lifting corners with PVA. Smooth with a bone folder. Add a closure. Elastic band, ribbon, or wraparound to keep pages protected. Create a simple index on the inside cover for quick reference, and write 3 starter prompts to avoid blank page paralysis. If pages warp from moisture or heavy glue, press under a stack of books for 24-48 hours. If embellishments fall off, resew through nearby holes for a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.